The Aardwolf anti-breakage bars are stiffening bars that prevent the breakage of fragile stone pieces during lifting, moving, and installation. Quick and easy to attach to workpieces, the rubber-lined bars eliminate the risk and danger of breaking expensive marble and granite workpieces. The bottom jaws of the Aardwolf anti-breakage bar are connected by a rod attached to the bottom jaws and slidably extend through the upper jaws. Aardwolf anti-breakage bar has full grip hand knobs, which are easy to grab using bare hands or gloves. Full grip hand knobs have more substantial rotation torque than comparable mushroom knobs. The keyway prevents the bottom jaws from dropping to the floor if a worker completely loosens the hand knobs, as is the case with a competing product. Quick and easy to attach to workpieces, the rubber-lined bars eliminate the risk and danger of breaking expensive marble and granite workpieces.